What is ETIM? ETIM is an acronym that is used to indicate a set of open standards that are developed and maintained by the ETIM International Association, together with more than 20 local chapter organizations that represent the standards in their respective countries. ETIM stands for the ETIM Technical Information Model. It is an acronym that has the acronym itself as the first word within the acronym. In the beginning, the letter E belonged to the word electrical. Later it was changed to European. But currently both words don't cover the entire scope of the ETIM standards anymore. In today's world, ETIM standards are used all around the globe. It is being used in more than 150 countries, with around 6,000 product and model classes belonging to multiple sectors. With that in mind, the letter E can stand for many other things like Eloquent, Expressive, Engineering, Explicit, Extensible, Engaging, or Explanatory. Whatever you choose to be the E that suits best works for us, but I hope you understand why we could not make a choice. The ETIM standards comprise of a product classification standard, a product data exchange standard, and a classification standard for geometry. ETIM International and its standards are used by thousands of companies, and they are endorsed and backed by more than 50 national and international industry and trade organizations around the globe. We are currently active in the following 5 closely related technical sectors: electrotechnical products, HVAC, plumbing and sanitary products, building materials, hardware, tools and site supplies, and last but not least, shipbuilding supplies. This list is not a finite list. We can imagine that along the line other industries that are dealing with technical products that need a lot of descriptors could join in the future. You could think of sectors such as petrochemical industry installation products, agricultural and horticultural hardware and machinery, industrial machinery and products for casting, molding, and metalworking, medical and laboratory equipment, and for instance also, health, nutrition, and biochemical industry equipment. So why are these sectors not covered in the ETIM classification model yet? That is because for this to happen, collaboration, funding, and resources are needed from those industries. The staff office of ETIM International does not have the expertise to create the relevant product classes and relevant descriptive features for all these industries. This expertise and effort will have to come from these industries themselves, while ETIM International will guide the standardization processes and provide the technology and tooling to facilitate easy implementation and adoption. The ETIM standards are open standards, freely available to all. The costs of its operations are shared by its members. In return, these members are allowed to influence and contribute to the maintenance and development of the standard, and they get access to useful online tools and training materials. This concept of bottom-up organization based on consensus mechanisms ensure quality input from the market and a high commitment to delivering the data sets as they are designed by its users.